Hello everyone, today we're at the warehouse, my local store, and I've got two cases there. There's an F and another G, an F and some other ones, three more up there. So someone's coming to help me get them down, and hopefully we can score another super. One of those, or where is it? I'm sure all of you know what the 68 Mustang looks like. Alright. A kind employee just helped me get the boxes down. She went up and got all 5 down. So we've got 1 G and 4 F cases. So this is going to be one awesome hunt. So let's get started on box number 1. So this is the G case. Looking for a 68 tuned Mustang. Doesn't seem to be one in here. Alright, that's a dud. Alright, just had a bit of an interruption with some... Thanks. See ya. That was just some people who just subscribed to me, which was awesome. If you're watching this, thank you very much. So, let's continue looking through this box. There doesn't seem to be what I'm looking for in this one, so just shift that over. So that one has no NV500 in it. Let's check this F case. There's one regular right there and 2 missing. I think these might have been through, people might have been through these before, because they're all open. Alright, this one, dud. Yeah, I think someone's had a bit of a look through these before me. Gone, look, bam. Just a regular. Alright everyone, I've looked through every case, the top half as you saw, and some of you don't like it when I don't look through the bottom half, but there were lots of people around and I just, it was just better to not be filming, so I didn't film going through the other halves, but in international cases they don't have supers in the bottom. So I just got the Volkswagen Beetle from the F case, or G case, F case, whatever, and some more of these. I'll probably only get one Maverick because I've already got one. I need another one of these too. So, yeah. And then I'll probably pick up some other cars that I put in a secret hidey hole. And that will be a separate video. What is with this Ford Maverick? The example I bought way back when I found F case in what? Forgot my months for a bit there, February or something. Yeah, I found this car, but it had a poorly riveted back, as you can see there. But it was on the top, and this one, the bottom is down a bit, and then this one, the top's a little bit up, and then this one is nice. Like, 1 in 3 out of the cases, out of 3 of the ones that I pulled out, being okay quality, that's not very good. What is with this car? I don't get it. But anyway, I love this white colour with the gold wheels, so I'll definitely be getting that. So, thank you everyone very much for watching, I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you in my next video. See you next time, and remember, always check the dump bin. See ya.